Oh my god, guys, it's unbelievable. I'm going to play the rest of the clip so you can see the whole moment when Davido just arrived in Atlanta. But first, I really want to share this video with you of Zinoleesky's outfit. His outfit has gotten a lot of people talking. Zinoleesky has been through a lot because of this outfit. If you look at the comment section, people are using his look for memes. Zinoleesky is trending everywhere. People are even recreating it. DK, for example, recreated the look. When I saw this outfit, I couldn't believe it. Zinoleesky's stylist really missed the mark, and this has sparked a lot of reactions. One fan even commented that Zinoleesky won't forgive his stylist anytime soon. It's obvious that people are having strong reactions and it's trending everywhere. So, what do you guys think about it? Enjoy the rest of the moment when Davido arrives and share your thoughts. This is Mixloaded, signing out.
Really?